I thought I was never gonna make it.
Never thought at 30 years old I was gonna end up getting my high school diploma.
35 years later, woohoo! Better late than never. It's a dream come true. Absolutely.
I feel so proud and moved by what our students have gone through to get their diploma.
I look at them now and they're like a complete package. They've got the confidence, they've got the knowledge, they've got the expertise to go on with their life now. It's just so thrilling to see that.
There's no excuse to not get your high school diploma. South Bay Adult School is here. It's a 24-hour program, and there's people who have kids, families, work, everything. No excuses. They've all done it. You can do it.
I graduated last year. Same program. It's affordable. It's easy to go by. They work with you with your timing. If you have a job, you'll be able to do it in the afternoon.
It caters to everyone. Moms, students, people who work full-time. They really work with your schedule, so they're really helpful.
I was scared. I thought I couldn't do it with taking care of two people, cooking, cleaning, plus studying, doctor's appointments. I was like, how do I do it? And they gave me so much support, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart.
We work on resumes together. We work on personal mission statements together. So we get to know each other very well. And I feel like a little part of me is going to go with them into the world.
With all the obstacles I've had in the past 2 years, I'm still shocked that I'm graduating. I didn't think I could do it this year, but I did it. This was the one thing I wanted to do, is get my high school diploma. Before my mother goes,
I love you, Mom. Can you believe it? I actually graduated. Out of all your 8 kids, you get to see me graduate. I love you, Mom. Thank you, guys.
I'm just thankful for this great staff at the adult school that I went to. With the help of my teachers, we made it. We got it.
To be part of that journey and that dream with them is just very rewarding.
Never give up, no matter how hard it may seem, because the possibilities are endless once you leave here, and it's worth it. So be humble, be teachable, and always keep learning. Thank you.
It's an amazing program, and I recommend it.
the South Bay Adult School. I would recommend it to anyone.